In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a custom page in WHMCS. WHMCS uses a templating framework named Smarty. Using this framework, a page is broken down into two files. The first being a PHP file which contains the functions of the page, and the second being a TPL file which contains the content. To create a custom page in WHMCS, we will need to create both files. WHMCS provides the code for the PHP file, which we can then modify for our own custom page. I've added a link to this page which contains the code in the description of this video. First, access this page and copy the sample code. Next, access the root directory of your WHMCS install using cPanel's file manager. Create a new file. This will be your custom page. So for example, if you use test.php, your page will be accessible using your WHMCS URL followed by /test.php. Right-click and edit this file, then paste the sample code. By default, the page this sample code used is Windows hosting. Let's go ahead and edit this for our test page. To start, edit the set page title variable between the single quotes. This is used for the page title, which for most WHMCS templates will be automatically displayed at the top of the page. Next, we need to edit the add to breadcrumb variable. This will define the page as part of the breadcrumb, which should also be automatically displayed with most templates. Within the second line, set your page name within the left side between the single quotes. In our case, test.php. Then set the name of the page on the right side, in our case, test. The left side is the URL of the page, and the right side is the link text. Lastly, at the bottom of the page, we need to set the setTemplate variable. This is the name of the TPL file we'll be creating in the next step. I recommend matching the name of the page, but it is possible to create a unique name. The name should be added without any extensions, so in our case we will use test. Next, access your active WHMCS template directory. This will be located within the templates directory of WHMCS, then within the directory of your active template. In our case, for this video tutorial, we're using Prosper, which is one of our premium WHMCS templates found in the description of this video. Create a new file using the name you defined for the setTemplate variable of the PHP file. For our example, we use test. Follow this with the extension .tpl. This template file is used for the content of the page, which in most cases will be HTML. Let's go ahead and add some sample content and then save this file. Visit your WHMCS URL followed by the name of the page to view your custom page. As you can see, the content we added to the .tpl file is displayed for the page along with our page title and breadcrumb. If you're using a Zomix WHMCS template, you can spice up this page using our pre-made HTML snippets. Check the description for a video showing this feature. This video is brought to you by Zomix. At Zomix, we have been providing premium WHMCS themes and configuration services since 2009. You can view our full range of themes and services in the description below. Save 10% on your next order using the coupon code YouTube. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to ensure that you are notified of new videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider making a small donation to the channel via the description of this video. Donations are much appreciated and will allow us to increase the quality and frequency of videos.